Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our 30th tutorial of Power BI. In the previous class, we have covered various kinds of DAX functions. And now finally we are reached to our final step of the process, which is report building. So this is the final step guys, because after building the report, only publishing part is left, which is nothing just to only share the report which you have created. So you can say that this is the last step of the process of making report. So in report building step, we will learn about various features as well as various charts, visuals, and many more things. So stay tuned with us for learning more about Power BI. So before start this report building step, we will revise the previous steps quickly. So firstly, I have extracted the data from here. So you guys can see I have uploaded all the tables. Then I have made some transformation under Power Query Editor window and cleansing our data in Power Query Editor. Then upload into Power BI Desktop. And after uploading into Power BI Desktop, then I went to the modeling tab and I have created some relationship between the tables. You guys can see here. And the last we have used some DAX function, which we are calculated column and some of them we are measures. You guys can see here we have used. So we have covered all these steps of report building process. And the last step of the process is left, which is building report. So under this video guys, we will just only discuss very basic things about Power BI Desktop. So let's get started. So firstly, I'll start with this home tab. So under home tab, we have various kinds of data extraction option like get data, Excel workbook, data hub, SQL server, enter data, data words, recent source. So these are the various tools guys which you can extract the data. And after this, we have a transformation feature, which means you can directly go to the Power Query Editor and transform your data. You guys can see here. And we have one more option here, which is data source setting. So you guys can change the setting of the source after using this option. Now we have one more option, which is refresh. You guys can refresh your data once it get uploaded more. And now comes to our next feature, which is new visual. You guys can take the new visual from here. Usually we use visuals from this visualization pane, not from here. So I'll just remove this visual. And we have another option, which is text box. Now we have one more feature, which is more visual. That means you guys can take multiple visuals from outside, which is from App Store or for the marketplace. So you guys can use this option from here as well. Get more visual. Now we have an option of calculation, which is new measure, quick measure. Mostly we are using new measure. Now the final option is here, which is publish. After creating the report, you guys can publish from here. Now go to the insert tab guys. So you guys can add new page from here as well as duplicate page. You guys can also add from here as well. Now we have again same options like new visual and more visual. And the next options are AI visual. That means artificial intelligence visual. So we will study in detail further like Q&A, key influencer, decomposition tree, and smart native. So these all are visual guys. You can see here, which is Power App, Power Automate, paginated report. And these are the separate tool guys. You guys can also learn from like a Power BI. So we will not cover these topics in Power BI Desktop. Now we have some elements. So here we have a text box again. And we have some buttons like right button, left button, reset button, back button. Now we can use shapes here, which is circle, triangle, and many more. And the last one is image. You guys can upload image from your desktop. And the last option in insert tab, which is sparkline. So we will study while creating a report. So go to our modeling tab. So you guys can see here is the option of managing relationship. So after clicking on this option, you guys can create a multiple relationship with the tables. Usually we create our relationship in modeling tab, not from here. In calculation, we have a various kind of feature like new measure, new column, new table. Now we have one more option, which is new parameter. What is parameter? So we will discuss this option later. Now we have one more option of security, which is manage roles and view as. So we will study later how it is useful. And this is the Q&A option, guys. So there is a very limited use in Power BI report. Now comes to the view section. So in view tab, we have an option of themes. So in this theme section, you guys can take various kinds of themes for making report more attractive. And this is a page view option, guys. You guys can set your page according to the width, actual size, or fit to page. And this is another option, guys, of mobile layout. So you guys can make the page according to your mobile layout. And we have multiple option of page setting, which is grid line, snap to grid, lock objects. So we will cover up step by step. No worry, guys. So our next option is filter. So we can use this filter function here. Usually, guys, we use filter function from filter pane, not from here. And now the last important feature of our Power BI desktop, which is bookmark. So we will study about it later. Now we have a performance analyzer, sync slicer, and we will cover up each and all functions. We have also a selection pane, but we will study with the help of bookmark. So guys, this is the basic class of our report building, where I have covered all the functions of Power BI desktop. So from next class, we will learn how to build our report. So please subscribe this channel and stay tuned with us for learning Power BI step by step. Thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. And if anybody need interview preparation training, so you guys can directly connect me through the LinkedIn. And this training is paid, guys, not free. So LinkedIn link is given under the description box. You guys can connect me there for more details. Thank you so much, guys.